Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is April from the Dead West set. She has been black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with Royal Cloak for her dress, which is a purple, but it's more of a reddish purple than I anticipated, but it will still work for the shadows. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start adding in some highlights to the dress, bringing up all of those raised folds and flat areas with Sorcerer's Cloak. Finishing off the dress with an edge highlight of Runic purple over the edges and the very tops of the folds. For the collar on her dress, her shoes and the wooden parts of the rifle, I went for German Camo black brown. To get the base trim and hair done, I went for a base coat of plague brown. All of her exposed skin gets done with Sunny skin tone. Adding a highlight to her hair and the gold trim, I went with sandy yellow, just brought up all of those edges. Getting all the metal parts done, I grabbed plate armour and just gave them all a once over. For the first wash, I used purple tone wash over her dress. The second wash is Archaic Sepia wash over everything else on the Mini. Finishing off, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will wait for April. Another very quick and easy Mini to get painted up, and a nice vibrant purple to go with it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.